Today is 5th June. Most of the people know that today is World Environment Day. As we are indoor, I am here to speak. The main purpose of environment is raise to awareness about our environment among the people. So, I heartily congratulations to all. We should protect our environment. We should protect our nature. We should plant more and more trees so that our environment would fresh and healthy. If nature does not survive, then how animal will be survive? Certainly animal will be endangered. So that we should protect our environment. We should protect our nature. United Nations had established this special occasion to save environment for our better future. In the happiness of worldwide technological development, we have devastated nature around us. Such development have given happiness to us. On the other hand, it has snatched many natural heritage from us. My dear brother and sister, you know that high use of electricity, deforestation, industrialization, direct sewage, outing to the big river canals, invention of polythenes have risen up to the pollution, have risen up global warming, risen up of sea level, etc., and declining the healthy condition of our environment. My dear brother and sister, you know that World Environment Day is a great annual event celebrated globally to correct our mistakes. First, it was celebrated in 1973 by the United Nations General Assembly to address various environmental issues like global warming, food shortage, deforestation, etc. According to the scientists, more than 2/3 of flora and fauna will be extinct in the near future because of human-induced environmental changes. My dear brother and sister, you know we need to do something effective in order to reduce the rate of climate change as well as save many natural resources for better life on the earth in future. 3R techniques can be very effective. 3R techniques means reduce, reuse and recycle. It is very effective. We should start from small effectives, but a large effects. So, our positive step will really help in solving environmental issues in near future. So, I would like to say, save our environment, save our nature, and so that environment would stay safe and healthy as well as fresh.